Arbitrary File Upload vulnerabilities. Finding the vulnerability means spotting where a website lets you upload files without checking properly. This could be when you upload pictures, documents, or other files. The impact is big. Hackers can do lots of bad things, like running code, stealing data, or taking over the whole server. They might upload viruses or other bad files to control the server and get important information. From the hacker's side, they see it as a way in. They can upload bad files to get control of the system. Then, they can take stuff, break things, or do more bad stuff to other people. To make it simple, it's like having a door with a weak lock. If it's easy to open, someone can get in and do whatever they want. It's the same with a website that lets you upload files without checking properly. If hackers find this, they can upload bad files and mess up the server.